Hi guys and gals, Kurt McCutis, Grasshopper Lawn Care. Real simple project today. The button on my garage door on the inside to open and close it broke. It was old and wearing out, and this should be a fairly straightforward project. And some have asked, hey, why would you waste your time doing a video? My answer is we were all young once. There's got to be a few people out there just wondering how difficult or how easy this is, and it helps to have someone showing them. So I hope this helps you out. The face shield on my garage door opener is completely cracked and starting to be a pain. This isn't a high-end unit, but I've had it for at least 6-7 years. All right, first thing I'm going to do is unplug the garage door opener. So I figure it'd be a quick fix. We can replace it. Let's get the old one off. I don't know if you're familiar with the Gerber center drive, but I absolutely love this thing. Again, I paid for mine. This is not a paid endorsement. This is just, if you're out there and you needed a everyday carry type of tool, this is pretty handy. I'm not too worried about damaging this thing. You have two wires in here, pretty easy fix. So as long as the power's off, we'll just take those two off. We'll reconnect them to the new switch, test it out. One of the nice things about the center drive is it comes with bits. Just so happens I need to change one out. This is just a generic switch I picked up off of Amazon. It should work with just about any type of garage door opener you have, but check the specifications just in case. I'm not really sure how good you guys can see these wires, but we only have two. The lined black is going to be our hot, and the white is going to be our neutral. Just remember, brass goes to black, white is always bright, and your green is a ground, which we don't have in this particular switch. You don't want to over tighten. You want to break anything, just snug them up so you got good contact. I'm going to take the old mounting bracket off. All right, now that we have the wires hooked together, I should have looked, but there's a small slot for the wires to feed out so they don't get caught. I don't feel like disconnecting the old wire staples, so I am just going to make a new one I'm going to use my safety squints. All right, the only thing you want to make sure at this point is that you're not going to catch your wires when you put the set screws in. Bottom should be free and clear because all the wires are going up, but we're going to check. It's always easier. Center it, make sure it looks nice or your wife will be on you. All right, let's plug it in, see if she works.